happening, guys? Another episode on the Heard the Nerd channel. We are headed to the exhaust shop. We're gonna try to get the downpipe installed and do some customizations to the exhaust. Time to open this thing up, let you guys hear it. And I want to do some things to the tips of the car, so we're gonna work on that. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do yet. I've already looked at some tips. We've kind of already measured some things up, so hopefully it doesn't take too long and we can try to get these installed and get this thing sounding really good. That is like one of my main things. I love the sound of this car, and right now it's just way too quiet. So let's check out what we got. We got the integrated engineering catless downpipe, or I believe it's a sport cat downpipe. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Contains horsepower.
Yeah, boy.
That's what we need. We need all the horses, so that's what I need. So here's the actual downpipe. Here's your flex pipe and all the connections. Check out those welds. Then we got the O2 sensor area. I believe you can use this if you want to go catless, if I'm not mistaken. You might be able to do this. Let me check. Because I think this right here is the sport cat that they come with. So you get, I think you get two options. You either get the sport cat or you can go catless, which I prefer to go catless. So let's check out what else we got. I believe you got an extender for possibly the O2 sensor right there. Give you a little cup holder. Install guide. And you get all your clamps for the exhaust. Currently we're still running the stock muffler. Told that I would need this Y pipe right here. Has their logo and everything on it. But I did plan on changing the mufflers after I bought this, so I'm not sure we're still gonna need it. We might need it, but yeah, this thing is pretty nice. We'll see how it goes whenever we get the car up.
You keep it. I mean, you're not gonna have a cheap engine like now. It won't be a raspy, but I feel like it's gonna take a lot of sound of the turbo echo quite a bit. You know,
It's gonna take away.
yeah, for sure. With the cat. If we take it, we don't put it on. Fuck it. I'm sure that turbo is gonna fucking sound like it needs to. You know?
Yeah. Probably might leave it off then, because I want all the sounds.
Hell yeah.
Side skirts should be here in like a day or two. Then we'll have the side skirts on there, and I think the little rear diffuser spats that I ordered, they should be here anytime now. So those will be going on. But right now we got to get that sound going. Here's the before. All right, that's the startup. Okay, that's closed. It's too quiet. Ooh, it sounds look good, but it's just too quiet. There you go. Don't sound bad. Okay, that's stock exhaust. And that's open. So that's the before. It's okay. All right, we're gonna do a little flyby and exhaust sound right now with the stock exhaust. And the thing looks good. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, like inside the car it sounds nothing like that. It's quiet, but outside, dude, it sounds pretty damn good. Doesn't sound bad. That is a sexy car, man. That is a sexy car, boy.
Going into like the traction mode.
Yeah, the traction control mode. Yeah, and it cuts the power. Yeah.
I mean, it has no power, I guess, because it's one that is spin right off the back.
It's spin, yeah.
So when they coming back, I take it off, and then that's when it's actually one that.
And you feel it?
Yeah. Good, bro.
Huh?
Feels good,
Feels good?
man.
Yeah. If y'all look at the stock downpipe, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that little ass pipe is what's restricting this motor to do good things. And then you compare that to that. Yeah. All right, so we got the resonators right here. and then it goes all the way down to duals, and then you got your cat up there. So we're gonna do the cat downpipe right here. We're gonna use that wide pipe, connect it right here. We're gonna delete these two resonators. We're gonna add piping right here, and then we're gonna keep the stock muffler with the active exhaust all the way back. I ordered some O2 sensor defowlers, but we got a cool guy over here with the IS300 with a turbo kit on it. It's pretty dope, man. Got a turbo kit on it. Oh, I see you got the headlight inlet for the intake. How's it sound? Yeah. Yes, sir. Ah, I like that. That sounds good, man. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Super clean, man. I like that cover you got right there too. And it's wide open, so are you gonna continue it here or are you just gonna leave it?
No, I'm gonna leave it like that for now.
Man, that's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
What size turbo you got on there?
It's an AR70 Garrett turbo.
It should move out with a good tune because you say you're on stock ECU right now.
Stock ECU,
Yeah, 7 pounds. Man, as soon as you put a little bit of boost in there and open it up, yeah, this is dope, man. That's clean. I like that. You did it yourself or?
I built it all myself.
Man, that's pretty cool. I like that, man. You got any Instagram or anything? People check you out?
Instagram,
Yeah, people check you out on there.
It's gonna be Relic96.
All right, that's his Instagram, relic_96. If y'all want to follow the IS build, man, check him out. It's dope. Got a much larger pipe. What would you say the size of these are now?
That's 2.5.
2.5 now?
Yeah, before it was like a 2-inch, 1/3.
Okay. So we raised that sizing up a bit. And then he already explained the angle is a little tough. On the outside, it may not look welded, but on the inside, it is welded. So we're good there. We got the resonator deletes right here with the integrated engineering catless downpipe. So before the side skirts show up today, we have the rear diffuser spats that I ordered. We have to make some adjustments. Just trim the edge. I took some sandpaper and sanded them down. See how they look on the back when we put the car down for the exhaust.
Booty cheek, bow, 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 bow. That's that booty meat.
Oh man. Woo, that's open. Damn. I think I just created the best sounding fucking TTRS out here. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. We got the rear spats installed, which actually give it a wider look from the rear. Looks pretty good. My side skirt should be here today, so we might have that in the video if they show up. Here when it gets. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Damn.
Awesome, bro.
It sound like a Lambo.
Yeah.
It literally sound like a Lambo when you're going down.
Fucking shit, dude.
That's crazy. Wow. Insane, man. It sounds real good. All right, y'all, we are headed to Ride and Drive back to the dealership that I purchased the car from. Man, honestly, it's just been a little bit of hassle. After the lame, I gave them another chance, and I asked them, you know, does the car go through an inspection and all of that? I was told yes, it goes through an inspection. The car gets checked over, make sure everything's good before it's put on a lot, before it's ready to sell. Everything's fine on the car. I haven't had any issues mechanically wise or anything like that. But I get the car on the lift to do the exhaust system for the car, and Charlie was like, bro, have you seen your tires? And I'm like, nah, I didn't even check, because, you know, on the outside the tire doesn't look too bad. And when we look inside on the tires, man, there's wires showing. I mean, the tires could have literally blew on me on the way back from home, because the dealership is pretty far from me. It's not a close drive. Then on top of that, there's like 3 different size tires all around. And then, you know, you got the back rear passenger tire was a different size tire from the other 3. All of them were different brands. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, dude, like that's not cool. You know, you told me the car goes through an inspection, and then I get the vehicle and there's no way it passed inspection, or anybody inspected it and said that this is okay to drive on the road with tires looking like this. Like, there's just no way. You know what I'm saying? And I made a review. They ended up contacting me back and told me that they were going to order me brand new tires, so I'm on my way out there. They said they got some tires for me, so I guess they're trying to make it right, man. So I'm gonna go out here. There should be all 4 the same tires, new tires. Ah, shit, y'all see where we at. Y'all already know what we gotta do, man. We did it with the Shelby, we gotta do it with the TTRS, man. Of course, y'all see what's in front of me, trying to act up like anybody gives a damn Challenger. All right, we are back here at Ride and Drive. Let's see if we can get these tires. On the way here, I was going back and forth texting them. They talking about I had to set up an appointment to install some tires, and that I need to call them, which I called 3 times before I even got here. Nobody answered. I'm not leaving here without tires, man. The tires are bald, and it's too dangerous to drive all the way back home with these on here. So hopefully we leave this dealership with some tires. Shout out to Ride and Drive. They did take care of it for me. As you guys can see, we got 4 new tires, and they got Toyo Proxies for me, man. They got some good tires, man. They didn't cheap out, so I really appreciate them. The 4th one's right there. I'll give them a shout out, man. And they even wrote me a check for the labor of getting the tires done, man. I can't complain about that. They gave me brand new tires, a check for the labor of getting the tires replaced, and I'm going to head to get the tires replaced now, because like I said, they're showing wires, so I don't want to be driving on these. But I will give them a shout out, and I'm very appreciative of their effort to make things right.